My name is Suparna. I am a program manager in the accessibility space in Amazon. And I'm also part of the PWD employed at in the store, we are showing my right hand side, and maybe you can cover that later. We have the PWD employee which is an inclusive space for people with disabilities in Amazon. We do a lot of inclusion work and we create a safe space for the community to connect and develop together. And on my left hand side here, you see we have set up a booth which is of Amazon devices, and we are showcasing the assistive technology within that. We are showing how a person with disability can live an independent life using amazing technology like using an Echo for interacting with the device with voice. We can use a Fire tablet, we use a screen reader, and so on and so forth. We also have a Kindle which provides color inversion and font enlargement and things like that. So that's what we are representing here. We have a lot of PWDs from Amazon who are attending this festival with us. We've also Chetna Pujari, who is the Amazon customer service leader in India, and she can share her experience about what her Purple Fest event experience has been.
Hi, I'm Chetna and I'm a project analyst within the customer service space in Amazon. It's a delightful experience to be because we have come across groups and organizations who are talking about what we're doing in the accessibility space. It's been a very, very interesting exercise and experience at the same time. Close to the managing events have taught us experience for everyone together as a part of the fest and look forward to more engagement.
Okay, and next I want to introduce the team here who are experts in devices. We have Samruti and Darshini. They will give us a short demo of what Amazon device assisted technology looks like. Samruti, over.
Alright, so we of course have multiple devices available. I will also get it started with our Alexa device, which is of course hands-free. You will be able to communicate and check multiple information that the Alexa device can provide to you, like the time, the location, and multiple different things that you may want to ask just by saying the wake word Alexa. Post that, moving on, we have the Echo Show device here. This is the Echo Show device. Now this is an interesting device because it of course has everything that Alexa has to offer, and it also incorporates the goodness of our Fire tablet. So it is basically an Echo Show with a screen. While it is just it will go ahead and give you all the benefits that you get with the Alexa. You will also be able to see, you will also be able to call people who have another Echo Show. You will be able to make device-to-device calls just by saying that and communicating that with the device. Now I will of course pass it over to Darshini and she will help us with the other device.
So now I would like to introduce you to Fire TV, which is an integration of Alexa and Fire TV Stick. So you can connect this to your TV and control your TV with just voice commands. You can connect this to the home theater system and sound speakers that you have. Apart from that, you can connect it to the smart home devices as well. You can control all the smart home devices using this Fire TV here. So like I was telling, this is a Fire tablet device. It is the upgraded version of a Kindle e-reader where you can read the Kindle books, listen to audiobooks. Apart from that, you can surf multiple apps, download any games and access those. It's like a normal tablet. It has voice view screen reader feature, it has screen magnifying feature and also color inversion feature. Color inversion feature helps in adjusting the brightness and colors according to an interest. This is meant for reading Kindle books and listening to audiobooks. You can connect it with your Bluetooth headphones or speakers, and you can hear the books that you want to read. Again, this also has the voice view feature, which will help you in reading the whole script.